بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Memory of the Prophet alive. And secondly, salawat is what? It's dua. You're making dua for the Prophet. And we have ahadith that tell us that when you make dua for someone, Allah gives you the thing that you ask Allah to give to the other person. So when you ask Allah to send salawat upon the Prophet, which will increase the nur in his heart, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make you a recipient of the salawat. If you make dua for the Prophet, don't you think that in Alam al-Barzakh, Rasulullah will also make dua for you? This is the secret of salawat. Sallu ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.